Cosmology is the science of the universe's grandest scales. It seeks to answer where we come from, what the universe is made of, and where it's going. Let's begin with the Big Bang, the moment about 13.8 billion years ago when all space, time, matter, and energy exploded into existence from a hot, dense point. This wasn't an explosion in space, but an expansion of space itself, stretching and cooling over time. The afterglow of this event, called the cosmic microwave background, still bathes the universe and gives us a snapshot of its baby picture. But when we look at galaxies, something strange appears. Based on visible matter, galaxies should fly apart, yet they hold together. This hints at dark matter, an invisible substance that doesn't emit light or interact with electromagnetic forces, but exerts gravity. Though we can't see it, we know it's there because of its gravitational pull, shaping galaxies and clusters. Even more mysterious is dark energy, a force driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. Instead of slowing down under gravity, the universe is speeding up, pushed apart by something we barely understand. Dark energy is estimated to make up nearly 70% of the universe, while dark matter makes up about 25%, leaving ordinary matter, everything we see, as just a tiny fraction. Cosmology continues to challenge us with deep questions. What exactly is dark energy? Will the universe expand forever or end in a collapse? Are there multiverses beyond our cosmic horizon? In studying these mysteries, we are not just learning about the cosmos, we are learning about ourselves, and our place in a vast, beautiful, and still largely unknown universe.